Hello guys, let's begin by going to VS Code. VS Code again, that's it. Now we get VS Code, then we download it. We go to download. We have Windows. Okay, so let's pick Windows Table 1. Great, now let's install it. Run it. Run again, accept. Next. Good, finish. Let's launch it. Good. Okay, minimize it. Then next, let's go to the node. Let's go to Google. Then we say look for node. Do Node.js. Good. Download that one too. We have the recommended and the latest features. Click the recommended. It's also complete. Let's install it. Run. Next. Accept. Next. Install. Yes. Good. Successfully installed. So finished. That is that. Let's check it out. Let's go to the command prompt. Command prompt. And let's check it out. Let's say node, and on the E, then space, then give it -v. So version 14.18. Okay, so that is that. Now to continue, let's go to drive D and create a folder. Okay, folder that we want to work in. I would like to call that folder React Tailwind. Okay, good. Now let's go to Google, then look for Tailwind CSS. Let's go for the installation. Good. Now installation, let's pick with React. So the first thing is what? What's the name? nps create React app and my project. So you can copy that. Okay, then we go to the prompt. Now over here we locate the D drive. So D and column, enter, it takes us to the D drive. Then we look for the folder in the D drive. We call in cd React Tailwind caps. Tailwind. Good. Okay, we are in that folder now. Let's paste our Create app. Good. So that is that. We can say enter. Good. Good. Installation complete. Now what we're going to do next is to continue the installation using the VS Code. So we locate the same file, go to open folder, and go to the drive D and locate the same folder. Then we select the folder. Good. So we are good to go. Good. Next, let's go to terminal, new terminal. Good. Then we go back to our doc. Now next it says what? CD my project. So we copy that too. Then we take it to CD my project. Good. So that is that. Next one, it says what? Setting up Tailwind CSS. So npm install all this. We copy just that. Do it. Good. Install it. Wow, it didn't install. Why? No, let's check the npm. npm. Ouch. What do we do? Let's go through and see. npm is not script blah 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 blah. npm is not recognized. Let's ask Google. So we go to Google and see why. npm is not recognized. Let's see how other people have solved the issue. So we'll check it and see. Start VS Code again. VS Code. Good. So over here, like so. Let's try that again. Go to our Tailwind again. Let me say CD my project. Now next, install. Good. Before that, let's try this npm and see. npm. Let's see. So npm is working now. Good. Let's paste. Enter. Good. Done. Let's go to the next one. Let's just export npm install Crackle. So we'll install that one too. I'm going to install. Good. Good. It's also ready. Let's go back again. What do we do? Next it says what? Once installed, update your script with a package. Package the JSON. Okay, so we copy the plus and go and substitute it. So let's go to the JSON package. We go to JSON and update over here. Our script. Update it. Good. So that is that. You update everything, only the eject. Okay. Let's see what to do next. It says what? Next, create a Crackle config.js at the root. So we copy, then we go to the VS Code and create the file. So at the root, so this is the root. So let's create the file and call it, paste it there, and enter. Then what does it say? Next. So we create that file, we finish creating it. Say add the root and add the Tailwind CSS. So that is that. We copy this and go put it there. Okay. Good. And what again? Next it says what? NPS. Next, okay, we need to generate this. NPS Tailwind. Copy this one too. And we go and generate. Paste and enter. Good, it has been created for us. That's it. So next thing to do, let's check. Say something here. This will create a minimal tailwind config at the root. Okay. So what do? If you copy this and take the purge out. So we go there. Then put this there. Good. That is that. Let's see what it's going to do. Saying what again? Go to our index.js and add this modules. So we go there. Index.css. Where are you? Get index.css. Good. Paste down to there. Then what again? Confirm your index CSS at the index.js. So we go to the index.js. Where is index.js? Index.js and confirm the index CSS. So that also done. So that is that. Next is to npm run start. So we copy and we go back. Good. Good. Our app works now. Now let's go to the app.js to see, to test it out. So app.js, let's take the header out. Okay. Good. Everything out. Header out. Good. Now inside that, now let's just, instead of app, let's just create a div and say, let's give it bg grain 900. Let's create a card. Let's give it a height of what, 96. Then what again? Yeah, let's check that out. Great. You can see we have our card here. Good. So our lesson is working. Our how do you call it? The What's the name? Good. The tailwind is now ready. So this way you can give it some margin tab. Let's give it 10 and make it margin left and right. MX also 10. Then rounded LG. Good. So we can see our card is ready. Right now we've just created a card. So cool, guys. Yeah, guys, just a quick one. The Tailwind has made things easier for us, especially with the classes. We don't need to memorize all these classes. So we have an extension called Tailwind. Let me check the extension. It's called for Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. There's E. By where is it? This is it. Brad Corns. So yeah, we have this one. I like this one. You see, it gives you the names of the classes. So there's no need to memorize all these classes. So we install it, and then okay, we close it. I think it's ready. So let's try adding it. So inside the card that we created, let's see. Inside the card that we created, let's give it another div. Inside, let's say, give it a text and say hello. So inside that, let's give it a class name. Let's give it test what, let's give it white. Then let's give it what do you call it, test increase the size. So we say XL. You can see the options that we have, just XL. And we can also make it bold. We say font bold. Okay, so that is that, guys. So it gives you the classes that we're gonna need. So there's no need to memorize. Okay, well, that is that, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you so much for sticking through. Don't forget to do good. Say peace.